more than a year now, some of the people who live at an Austin apartment complex have been showering on the tennis court just to get hot water. Owners say the issues are fixed, but the city, tenants, and their attorneys have a different story about Cross Creek that remains on the city's repeat offender list for code violations. KXAN investigator Kylie McGivern has more.
Shannon, as problems continue to plague this property, you can see the owners are still encouraging people to move in. Today, tenants asked a judge to hold the owners accountable.
I'm already up to here. The complaints, they said, we'll fix it tomorrow, we'll fix it next week.
We first met Jorge Menchaca more than a year ago after finding taxpayer dollars helped subsidize this to provide affordable housing. Still,
there's no hot water. There's other repairs, electrical outside, there's sparks. Even the city went and checked and all that. They haven't done anything.
Which is why Texas Rio Grande Legal Aid asked the Travis County District Court to turn over ownership to a third party.
Some people just don't get it, and you have to go to these kinds of extreme measures before anybody gets anybody's attention. The judge asked, why has it taken so long? Why? And they didn't have an answer except for money.
The story that has not been told is that since the property was acquired, there's been $1.6 million in repairs that have been done.
Attorney Jim Eubank represents Cross Creek apartment owners and says the hot water issue is fixed and stairwells, railings, and balconies repaired.
Right now, we think that we have the property in pretty good shape, despite what one or two of the tenants may complain about. That is not an unsafe property.
Eubank says they will continue working to make necessary repairs as owners who originally had plans for a $20 million renovation with affordable housing units consider selling the property.
And if it looks like they're not fixing things, we're going to come back to the court and ask for somebody to take over the property again. We will not hesitate.
The judge is expected to sign the injunction order tonight with fresh deadlines to get this property in compliance. Kylie McGivern, KXAN investigates.
The judge's injunction has more teeth than orders from the city's Building and Standards Commission because failure to comply means owners will be found in contempt of court. Judges can then determine whether to issue fines or even jail time. A KXAN investigation last August revealed millions of taxpayer dollars are subsidizing dozens of problematic apartments. Cross Creek is just one of 4 complexes to receive money from the city to help provide affordable housing. The same ownership group also owns the Palms on Lamar. It received more than $5 million from the city to help designate more than 400 housing units as affordable. Right now on KXAN.com, check out our repeat offenders list to see some of the other 70+ Austin properties with a long history of code violations.